In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete people in Pipedrive, something that might seem straightforward, but carries a lot of importance if you're looking to keep your CRM system clean and organized. Whether you're cleaning out outdated information or simply want to declutter your contact list, this guide will walk you through the process. Once you're logged in, your next step is to navigate to your Contacts section. You can find this easily on your dashboard. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you won't miss it. The Contacts section is where all your magic happens. It holds valuable information about the people your business interacts with. Therefore, cleaning out unnecessary contacts is crucial to maintaining an efficient workflow. Now here comes the part where you decide which contact or contacts need to be removed from your list. Take a moment to look through your contacts, and once you've identified the ones to delete, click on the checkbox beside their name. It's important to double-check here to prevent accidentally deleting someone important. Remember, while mistakes can be rectified, it's always best to avoid them when handling data. Next up, look for the trash can icon located at the top of your screen. This icon serves as your gateway to decluttering your contact list. A simple click here symbolizes your decision to remove the selected contacts from your database. It's a powerful button, so use it wisely. After clicking the trash can icon, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is your last chance to backtrack or confirm your decision. If you're sure about your choice, go ahead and click on Delete, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to delete contacts from your Pipedrive account. This process is not only simple, but also essential for maintaining an organized and efficient contact management system. Regularly reviewing and cleaning out your Pipedrive contacts will ensure that your CRM does exactly what it's supposed to do, which is to help you manage your customer relationships in the most effective way possible. Remember, keeping your contact list up to date and relevant is key to running a smooth operation. This tutorial was designed to help you do just that, ensuring you can focus on what truly matters in your business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Pipedrive experience.